The Black Gold of Ceylon. Intro: The Industrial Asset. Welcome to an essential industrial and safety overview of one of the world's most concentrated mineral treasures. Today, we explore the Black Gold of Ceylon, a critical industrial asset hidden within Sri Lanka's shoreline that is vital to global manufacturing. This isn't just sand, it's a powerhouse of heavy minerals. We're talking about ilmenite, a matte black source of titanium dioxide, zircon, known for its metallic shimmer in ceramics, and rutile, which provides high-grade titanium. From the shores of Pulmadai to Mannar, we will dive into the economics, extraction, and ecology of these sands, tracing the journey from geological formation to high-tech processing and ecological restoration. Friends, this video is just an educational presentation. Stay tuned.
The Black Gold of Ceylon. At the heart of this wealth are three powerhouse minerals. Ilmenite, a matte black titan, formulated as FeTiO3. It is our primary source for titanium dioxide. Zircon, chemically ZrSiO4. With its distinct metallic shimmer, it's the backbone of the high-end ceramics and refractory industries. Rutile, pure TiO2. These dense, high-grade grains provide the premium titanium needed for advanced aerospace and medical technology. The industrial journey. In this series, we're tracing the entire life cycle of these minerals. We'll dive into the complex economics of extraction, the high-tech processing that separates these elements, and the vital ecological restoration efforts ensuring these shores remain protected for generations to come. Welcome to the journey of Sri Lanka's heavy mineral sands. Let's head to the geological coastal deposit.
This black gold isn't random. It is heavily concentrated in specific geographic zones, like Pulmadai on the east and Mannar on the west. These deposits are found in both active beachfronts and ancient inland sand dunes.
How did it get there? It's a geological conveyor belt. It starts with the weathering of igneous rocks over millennia. Then, river systems like the Mahaweli transport these fragments downstream, where they accumulate at river mouths. Finally, ocean dynamics perform coastal winnowing. While lighter quartz is pulled back by the waves, these heavy minerals, some with a specific gravity up to 5.7, sink and lock together to form the famous black sand.
Safety and personnel. In the lesson series, from here on, since machinery is involved in human work, a small presentation of industrial safety and health awareness is made, but a very broad, related to the industrial safety and health awareness topic, a separate lesson is presented. Before we look at the machines, we look at the people. Industrial safety is paramount. On site, we use strict color coding: red for danger, green for safe zones, yellow for warnings, and blue for mandatory procedures. Our mission is simple: work hard, work safe. This means maintaining a mandatory 10-meter safety distance from heavy machinery and wearing full PPE, high-vis yellow hard hats, goggles, earplugs, particulate masks, and steel-reinforced boots. We must also isolate hazards like high-pressure systems and electrical voltage. Even the fire extinguishers are specialized. No single extinguisher fights every fire. Misapplication can accelerate the hazard. Safety first. In this environment, safety isn't a suggestion, it's your survival. Do you know your protocols? Survival and success are a strict team effort. Know your zones, watch your back, and protect your crew. We go home safe together. The extraction process. Extraction is a physical process. No chemicals are used. 1. Raw sand collection from dunes and shores. 2. Primary screening and high-pressure washing. 3. Gravity separation isolates the heavy minerals. 4. Electromagnetic sorting divides the concentrates. Raw sand collection. Operators target top mineral-rich concentrate layers using tractor loaders and excavators, leaving the deeper standard silica base. Dunes and shores. Stripping top layers from active beachfronts and established inland dunes simultaneously. We use two main methods: beach washing, which scrapes ore from the surface, and inland dredge mining, modern technology, which uses underwater cutter heads.
Hi, dear friends. Let's go to the plant. From here to the process of separating mineral sand. Mineral processing plant machinery will be used. Therefore, about these machinery, a small introduction only is done. But this is a very broad subject and unrelated, that is, individually, as all the technical spec, maintenance, will be presented in the future. Continue. Stay tuned in my channel. The main machinery used is vibrator screen, wire mesh screen, hydrocyclone, spiral, drum magnet, permanent magnetic separator, wet high-intensity magnetic separator, WHIMS, dyer, wet table, electrostatic, roller plate separator. In addition, bin, pump, pipe, etc.
Primary screening and washing. Once collected, the sand goes through vibrator wire screening to remove debris and high-pressure washing to strip away clay, leaving uniform mineral grains ready for sorting.
Phase 3. Gravity separation. Spiral concentrators mimic ocean winnowing. Dense minerals, ilmenite, rutile, zircon, migrate to the inner track, central pipe, while lighter silica is washed to the outer edge.
Magnetic separation. Wet magnetic separation. Use permanent magnetic drum, wet high-intensity magnetic separator. Electromagnetic sorting. Electromagnetic sorting. Magnetic drums pull out iron-rich ilmenite, while electrostatic nodes separate conductive rutile from non-conductive zircon. Wet gravity node washes away remaining quartz. Zero chemical alteration, mimicking nature's winnowing at industrial speed. Hi friends! Hidden Mineral Sands Treasure in Sri Lanka topic presentation series. Through the video, a comprehensive description has been presented. Friends, watch it. Mineral sands name, color shape, separation method, global end use are briefly shown.
The Economic Multiplier. These minerals power the modern world. Titanium from ilmenite is essential for aerospace and clean energy, while monazite provides rare earth elements for EV magnets. Our goal is to move from exporting raw materials to domestic processing, aiming for an 800% revenue increase.
Ecology and restoration. However, wealth cannot come at the cost of the earth. Unregulated mining is strictly illegal and leads to coastal erosion and poisoned groundwater. Sustainability is the only path forward. We restore the topography using tailings, the inert silica left over, to fill mined voids and rebuild dunes with native vegetation. Through legal, precise extraction, Sri Lanka can harness its industrial wealth while preserving the pearl of the Indian Ocean.
Hi, friends. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, leave comment. Continue to watch the videos. Keep the notifications bell icon all on.